Are you tired of dealing with underinflated tires or long waits at the gas station for air? What if there was a quick and easy way to keep your tires in perfect shape anytime, anywhere? Let's take a closer look at the EPAuto 12V DC Portable Air Compressor Pump and see how it could be your ultimate road trip companion. About the product. Equipped with 12V DC cigarette lighter socket plug. Inflate tires on cars, bikes, sedans, and mid-size SUVs. Does not support truck tires. 4 display units. LED flashlight, bright torch. Auto shut-off when reaching the desired tire pressure. Package includes features: fast inflation, versatility, easy-to-read display, auto shut-off, LED flashlight, compact and portable. Using method: ensure you have the EPAuto tire inflator, power cord, and required nozzles. Securely connect the pump to your car's 12-volt outlet to ensure a strong connection. Before starting your car, engine should be in the running position. Unscrew the cap on your tire's valve stem. Securely attach the air hose nozzle to the valve stem. Screw it clockwise to ensure a tight fit and avoid air leakage. Turn on the inflator and use the M button to set your desired pressure unit. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the pressure as needed. Press the power button to begin inflation. Watch the display or listen for changes in the motor sound as the tire reaches the set pressure. The compressor will automatically shut off when it reaches the preset pressure. Unscrew the nozzle and replace the valve stem cap. Enjoy your journey with confidence and ease. You can also use it at night thanks to its LED screen light. Specifications: warnings: if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.